Hey, good afternoon, Paul. This is Tim Border, B-O-R-D-E-R. My phone number is 815-718-9288. 815-718-9288. This is the 2013 Ford F-150 XL SuperCab, four-wheel drive. Has a 5-liter V8. New tires on it. Really nice truck, 117,000 miles. One owner. Cruise control, has sync, the extra lights for the strobe and that, so forth. AM/FM radio clock, integrated brake controller, your four-wheel drive selector switch, tow haul mode. Really, really nice truck. One owner. It's all set up to go to work. Has the topper with the utility boxes built right in. All kinds of storage on this. Say trailer tow and the fiberglass topper. I want to get this off to you in a message. I have the truck here in Cedarville. $17,952 is the price. 117,000 miles. I believe this was a former federal government truck. 815-718-9288. Thanks. Bye.